Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from MiPow. This is the PowerCube X, and what this is, it's a Qi wireless charging power bank with a docking station. You can check it out on MiPow's website. I'll have that link in the description below. You can also check it out on Amazon. I'll have that link for you as well. I'm excited to get into this, so sit back and relax, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's check out the specifications of the PowerCube X. And again, the PowerCube X is a wireless power bank, but it also has a docking station. So you can take this away when you don't want to have it docked or on your desk. And works out really, really well, as you'll see in the rest of this video. Now, the PowerCube specifications are input and output voltage are 5 volts at 3 amps. Wireless output current is 5 volts at 1 amp. So you're not going to get that Samsung fast wireless charging, but you will get that regular Qi wireless charging that we know. It's a lithium ion battery, and it is 5,000 milliamps at 3.8 volts. The smart dock specifications, the input voltage and output voltage are both 5 volts at 2 amps. So that's what you have for the smart dock itself. And that about sums it up for the specifications. So let's take a look at everything once it's taken out of the box. We'll kind of set the box to the side here a little bit. You can see that we do have a user manual. This is a fold-out user manual. It's written in English and I believe in Chinese as well. And the print's a little bit small, but it does cover some of the basics on how to charge this unit, which I'm going to explain to you and get everything going on here. I would hold on to this. It also mentions that you do get a 12-month warranty with the purchase, so you want to make sure that you hold on to that. Now, they do give you a charge cable here, and it's a USB to USB Type-C charge cable. And this is the newer standard that most devices are going to. And you can plug the dock in so that you can charge the power bank itself, or you can plug the power bank directly into it as well. These two little stickers here, they're not stickers, they're kind of just placement O-rings that you can put on top of this to keep your device from sliding. They do give you a nice little leather carry case for the power bank function. So when we take the power bank out of the slot, which I'm going to do for you now, you can see that we've got a 5,000 milliamp power bank and some pogo pins here that will line up on the back. This is obviously so that when it's sitting in the docking station, it is going to be able to recharge this 5,000 milliamp power bank. The top surface here is where you're going to place your phone or Qi-enabled device. And it is very lightweight and pocketable, anodized aluminum on one side there. You do have that USB Type-C if you want to directly just charge the bank out of the dock, say you're away from home. But you can also plug that into the dock itself and then just place it right into the dock to start the charging. So very simple and easy. You'll just be able to put your phone down on it in the dock, and then if you want to, you can take it out, and you can also walk away with it and charge your phone on the go. Now, looking at the dock itself, it's got some nice rubber feet to keep it in place. You've got that input-output of a USB Type-C there, and you also have an extra USB output. So when this is actually hooked up, you can do wireless charging, and you can also charge a secondary device off of the docking station. So you can actually charge 2 devices at the same time. So overall, a pretty clever design by MiPow. Okay, so now that I have the dock plugged in, this is what it's going to look like. Say you have it sitting on your desk or something like that. You can plug it into anything like an AC to USB wall adapter, or you can use a USB port on your PC or your laptop. So you can hook it up anyway. When you plug it in, you're going to see that you have a charging icon there that lets you know that the power bank is being charged. And I have my Note 8 here, so we're going to use that. The Galaxy Note 8 also has a case on it, and I like to test all of these wireless chargers with a case on them. And as you can see, no problems through this Spigen Tough Armor case. I am wirelessly charging. I'm not going to get that fast Samsung wireless charging, but I'm going to get a nice steady wireless recharge on my Note 8. which is great. Now, say you wanted to leave your house and you want to bring your power bank with you. You now have a 5,000 milliamp power bank in hand. And you will see that on the side you have a little button here. This is to let you know how much power you have left in the power bank itself. It's kind of an on-off button there. And it'll let you know in increments of 4. So you've got 25, 50, 75, and 100%. It's nice and lightweight. And this will actually allow you to charge your power bank or your phone right on the go. No wires needed whatsoever. I'm charging this on the go, and I've got 5,000 milliamps of power with me in a nice, slim, and easy package. I can just throw it in a book bag or a backpack or whatever I need, and then when I get home, I can just pop it in the dock, and then I can just put my phone on that if I need to recharge my phone once I get home. And again, you can see it charges through a case, no problems whatsoever. So there's a lot to like about the PowerCube X. I really do like the fact that I can just take 5,000 milliamps of power with me wherever I'm going, and it's a nice, as you can see, slim, small design, fits right on the back of my phone, and it doesn't weigh that much. Very easy to be portable and wireless with 0 wires. So if that's something that's important to you, then this is a true wireless solution that you can take on the go with you, which is really great. I could see taking this to the gym. I could see taking this, to work or wherever you may need it, and you don't have to plug in your phone anywhere, so that's excellent. Another cool thing is the docking station itself, being able to have this on my desk, and also having a secondary USB port here to charge another device wired as I'm charging my phone wirelessly. Say I have a tablet or something like that I want to charge via USB, I can do that as well. So there's lots of really good things to say about this particular charger. It's a very premium charger. It's got a very good premium look and feel to it. And overall, I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up. So that's my review of the MePow PowerCube X Combo Wireless Charging Station. Again, you can check it out on MePow, and you can also check it out on Amazon. I'll have both of those links in the description below where you guys can check those out. There's not a lot of bad things to say about this. The only con that I can think of is the price. It's a little high on price. It's currently priced at $75.99, which is a little bit high, but it does have premium build materials to it. You are getting a stationary wireless dock that also turns into a 5,000 milliamp power bank that is also wireless. So that is very unique, and it is also a very nice feature to have. Other than that, everything else about this works great. It charges through phone cases. I don't have any problems with the build quality whatsoever, and I love the fact that you can remove that 5,000 milliamp power bank and take it with you, and it's also wireless, so I really don't need to take any charging wires with me whatsoever. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about the MePow PowerCube X, please leave those in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.